How close is your relationship with General Sibiya?
I don't have any relationship with Sibiya. You know, Sibiya started talking to him when they kidnapped A.B. Dikhale's wife and the child. And I know A.B. Dikhale. The matter was not going anywhere. And then I called General Sibiya because I know him from Johannesburg City Council. So I called him about that matter, that A.B. has been trying everywhere. Nothing is happening. It's a head of detectives. So I called a relevant person, and he said, no, we'll deal with it. I will attend to it. That's it. And then second time I called Sibiya is when Jerry Bushoka's mother called me. She still calls me till today. Even on my birthday, she wished me a happy birthday because she's very happy that even if there is no progress, but there seem to be someone who's following up on my child's matter. Why am I doing that? I'm a public representative. I'm a member of parliament. I'm a leader of a political party. When people bring issues to me, I will send them to relevant authorities. I didn't appoint Sibiya as a general of a head of detectives. They said Sibiya is a general head of detectives, meaning if we have any issue with the police, this man is one of the credible people in South Africa. I dealt with him under that context, not because I've got any criminality or any dealings with Sibiya. I don't have anything with Sibiya or anyone. The person I know that we eat from the same plate, we drink from the same cup, is Castle Matal, the Deputy Minister of Police. But when we're together, we don't speak about police. We don't speak about ANC. We don't speak about EFF. We never engage on issues that have got potential to make us have different views.
Yeah.
We are family members. We belong to the same family of Mashabi. And that we found out when we're in a struggle. So our relationship then went beyond issues of politics. But I knew Begitele. I still know Begitele. I still speak with Begitele. But it has nothing to do with what I'm doing in Parliament. And the line of questioning there in Parliament, you could see that my relationship with him has got nothing to do with our, I can't say friendship, but me and him are very cordial. And we're in the ANC together. I know this comrade. But I've got no dealings with him. I've got nothing to do with I'm just mentioning these names because they are in the police, as it were.